It's Thursday afternoon. I really got nothing better to do with myself. I don't have class till later on tonight, so I figure I'd bust another box that Topps sent me. So I'm going to bust this box of Topps Chrome Football. The thing about Topps Chrome Football, it seems as though in baseball, regular Topps is more popular than Topps Chrome, but in football it's the opposite, which leads me to my theory that baseball and football card collectors are two completely different species. Anyway, it's funny, there's Michael Crabtree in a 49er uniform on the cover, which may very well be the only time you see him ever in a 49er uniform. Here's what the box looks like. 24 packs, 4 cards in a pack. 1 autographed rookie autograph in a box. And you get this pulled out. I think it's the same one that was in regular Topps. And a checklist. And let's see here. 220 cards. There's rookie variation autographs, which is the way it should be done in baseball. And cheerleaders. Hell yeah. Okay, Tarvarius Jackson, Frank Gore, Rhett Bomar, and Matt Forte. The way the autographs in Topps football is the way it should be in baseball. Phillip Rivers, Vernon Davis, Asante Samuel, and our first refractor is a Patrick Willis. Because they have both the regular you can collect and the autograph version. Okay, you've heard the diatribe before. Okay, Jordan Mayo, a Chickle card of Peyton Manning, Eddie Royal, and a refractor of Alfonso Smith Jr. The Chickle cards are only a partial parallel. They didn't do all 100 of them, thank God. Drew Brees, Kevin Smith, Sinderic Marks, and Larry Fitz. Matt Hasselbeck, Jeremy Shockey, Vontae Davis, Darren McFadden. Ernie Sims. Okay, I got a Chrome cheerleader of Kayla of the Jaguars, or as Dr. Wax Battle calls them, Tomatoes. Eugene Monroe and Ray Lewis. Santana Moss, Wes Welker, Brandon Underwood, Steven Jackson. Clinton Portis, Bibiana of the Dolphins. Cool. A refractor of Ed Reed. And number 5, Donovan. Kevin Boss. A refractor of Manuel Johnson of the Cowboys. The Jericho Cotchery Chrome and Michael Turner. Tyler Thigpen, Anquan Bolden, Andre Smith, and Ben Roethlisberger. Aaron Rodgers. Okay, I got my autograph, and it's of Sean Green of the Jets. And yes, they are sticker autographs. This could be yours. Pat White, Matt Schaub. Joey Porter's Abs, LaDainian, Larry English, and Antonio Gates. I got 3 Chargers in that pack. Charger Joe. Joe Flacco from South Jersey. Brian Westbrook, a Joey Porter Chrome Chickle, and Devin Hester. Santonio Holmes, Marion Barber, a Heinz Ward refractor, and David Garrard, noted radio talk show host. Saw that on ESPN that Jack Del Rio made David Garrard quit his radio show. Anyway, Carlos Dansby, a refractor of Brandon Pettigrew, Michael Hamlin, and John Carlson. It's the same photographs as regular Topps, just a smaller set, and it's on chrome. Champ Bailey, Tajanda of the Jacksonville Jaguars, Cornelius Ingram, and Carson Palmer. Dwayne Bowe, Angelo Williams, Wendell White Chickle, and Antonio Bryant. Jaron Allen, Tony Romo, oh shit, a gold refractor of Matthew Stafford, numbered to 649. That's a good hit. And Julius Peppers. Let's see what the odds of finding that are. Is that a gold or a copper border? I guess that's the copper. 1 in 12. Okay, not bad. Good to get a refractor of the number 1 pick in the draft, huh? Roddy White, Brandon Jacobs, Steven Jackson Chickle, and Troy Polamalu with that great shot. See, one thing I kind of like about these cards that they didn't do in baseball is that you can actually see the outline of the player etched. They used to do that with like the Topps Finest cards in baseball, but they don't do it in Topps Finest, Topps Chrome, or any of the other Chrome stock cards in baseball anymore. It makes the cards really stick out with the etching, and I just don't know why they don't do that in baseball. There are a lot of things I don't understand why Topps does in baseball. But here's T.O., Aqib Talib, a refractor of Peyton Manning, and Kurt Warner. Peyton Manning, no, Eli Manning, excuse me. Refractor of Connor Barwin, Curtis Painter, and Purple Jesus. 3 more packs to go. Let's see what else I get. DeMarcus Ware, a Santonio Holmes Ring of Honor, Darius Butler, and Donnie Avery. Ted Ginn Jr., Chris Johnson, and LT Chickle, and Brady Quinn. And our last pack. Greg Jennings. Okay, I got 2 refractors in this pack. A refractor cheerleader of Laurie, numbered to 199. And a Chase Kaufman copper, numbered to 649. And Matt Ryan. Okay. I can see why football card collectors like Topps Chrome, because Topps Chrome football is so much better than Topps Chrome baseball, because even though it has autographs, it's a set you can actually collect, because the autographs are not exclusive to autographs. They make base cards of the autographed players. In other words, this Sean Green is available as both a base card and an autograph card. So you can actually collect a set if you want. So anyway, if you're interested in any of these cards, hit me up, send me a message. There's my website over there. If you like anything you see, they could be yours. I got more top stuff to come later. Out.